Hi friends, I am Mayuresh Sayavankar. So today's topic is AOSIP ROM on MI1 review. As you can see, AOSIP ROM. It is installed on my MI1. See, MI1. Android version is 8.1 with security patch of 5 April. So let's see how to install it. Just download the ROM file and GApps file, link is in description below. Then just boot into your TWRP by power and volume up button. If you have not yet installed TWRP, I have already made a video, link is in description below. Just wait until it boot into TWRP recovery. Just wait and here is it. Just boot your phone in TWRP. Enter the password. Just take a backup of your previous ROM by just swiping. Take a backup and just go to wipe, advanced wipe, and select Dalvik system and data. If you want to format your internal storage, select internal. Just Dalvik system data and swipe. Then just go to install. Locate your ROM file. Locate your ROM file. As you can see, AOSIP Android 8.1 official. Just select it and swipe. It will take 5 to 10 minutes and the ROM will get installed. After done, just go to just go to install again and install TWRP installer. See, TWRP installer. Then just reboot and recovery and it will boot again into TWRP. After booting, again go to install and select OpenGApps package and swipe, and the ROM and OpenGApps package will be successfully installed on your device. So let's boot into your device. After booting, you will get a beautiful animation of AOSIP ROM. Just wait and watch. As you can see, you will get a beautiful animation of AOSIP. Just enter your pattern or password. And your phone will boot. So let's see the ROM. This ROM comes pre-installed with the modded Pixel launcher. See, home screen, app drawer, app icons, and miscellaneous. It comes pre-installed with Android 8.1 with the April security patch 5th April. It comes pre-installed with the Snapdragon camera. As you can see, Snapdragon camera. But you can install the Google camera on it. The battery life of this ROM is very good. 5 to 6 hours of screen on time. And customization, just go to settings and Owl's Nest. Here you get all the customization features. Screen status bar, battery, career label, clock, icons, traffic, quick settings, notification, battery LED, head up and notification, and navigation. You have to customize navigation bar. In hardware buttons, power, volume and keys. In recent apps, you get to customize recents. In lock screen, music ticker and various. In gestures, you get a normal 3-finger swipe to screenshot, double tap to lock screen and status bar. In AOSP gestures, you get swipe fingerprint for notification, and to dismiss notification, swipe right or left and jump to camera. And advanced settings, app operations, suspend actions. In display settings, you can choose background color to light, dark, black off or automatic. You can also choose the accent color. So that's all for customizations. There are no bugs in this ROM. It is extremely smooth ROM. I have not found any bugs. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.